Namaste. Once you've made yourself comfortable, you're welcome to close your eyes and take 3 deep, full, nourishing breaths in through the nostrils, exhaling out from the mouth. And what this does is shift you from fight, flight, freeze, the sympathetic nervous system, to the rest and digest, the more relaxed state of being, which is the parasympathetic nervous system. Gently bring your awareness to the center of your heart. And if it feels comfortable, place one hand on your heart. And what this does is it signals the body to release oxytocin, which is the hormone of safety and trust. So we feel the warmth beneath your palm, the subtle rhythm of your breath, and the quiet presence of your heart. Notice if your breath is a little slower and more relaxed. And as you breathe in, imagine the breath moving in and out of your heart space. As you exhale, allow your body to soften a little bit more. For the next few moments, I'd like to guide you through a breathing exercise. And what I would like to invite you to do is, as you breathe in and out, just imagine that your heart is expanding on each breath in. You can even imagine that the breath is moving in and out of the heart space. If it's easier for you to imagine the breath as a colorful entity, take a moment to visualize the breath with either a golden or a white light or energy. You're welcome to breathe in and out through the nostrils, or breathe in from the nostrils and out from the mouth, similar to the exercise that we just did. But this time, we're going to do the breathing with my guidance. So on your next breath in, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then breathe normally and naturally. I'd like to now invite you to gently invite a feeling that supports harmony between your heart and your mind. This could be a sense of gratitude, appreciation for someone or something in your life, or a simple feeling of care or compassion. You don't need to force the feeling, just allow it to arise naturally in its own way and time. As you continue breathing through the heart, notice any sense of ease, steadiness, or connection that begins to form. Rest here for a few moments, letting the heart and brain settle into coherence. calm, aligned, and present. Before we end today's short little sound bite, I'd like to invite you to take a moment to set an intention to carry this sense of warmth and balance with you throughout your day. Namaste.